internet, and welcome to the cluster that is currently my living room. We pretty much just got back from our friends and pool party 4th of July shenanigans. So what we're going to be doing is mostly a tidy up, trying to unpack, and hopefully get this looking at least a little better. Anything would be an improvement at this point.
If you recall from my last video, I said I was going to put our nostalgic clothes in the attic. These are the clothes being moved from the sofa to the box to the attic. I had to unpack the pug bag, so of course Penny had to come over to investigate. Their leashes and their bag are going back by the door. Significant other only has his clothes and toiletries in his bag. Mine has my clothes, our wet swimsuit bag, our pajamas, our sunscreen, our shampoo. Why is everything in my bag? And of course, I need to put on fuzzy socks because my feet are always cold. My purse goes in the hall closet. All the clothes are going to the laundry. The swimsuits and wet bag are going to continue drying in the bathtub. Is that everything? No, of course I have colored pencils and a drawing pad in there too. Are we done yet? No, hairbrush. Are we done yet? Yes, it looks so. Jacket lives next to my work bag, and this is definitely trash. Practice your woesome basketball skills with your dog's toys. Remember that you're only 5'4" and we're never good at basketball. It's okay. Penny will still play with the disemboweled stuffies. This load of laundry we did on the 4th of July, so it has all of our work clothes and gloves. Let me say, glove fingers that are textured for extra grip are so annoying to untangle from themselves. The fingers keep getting all scrunched up and are almost impossible to dig out. The pugs don't care about my plight. The pugs don't care that I work so hard to keep their house clean and safe. The pugs don't care that I have to have a job to earn money and buy nice things for them. The pugs only care that I'm not paying them enough attention. And that is a travesty. More freaking tacky gloves. Why must I suffer through all these tacky gloves alone without significant other? Because there's a Magic the Gathering release. Yeah. I'm folding my clothes a different way than usual because these are my outside work and painting clothes. Significant other wears the same t-shirts to pull weeds as he does to work, so that makes sense to him. Penny helping. She keeping the shirts warm. I've changed the way I store my tiny socks to the pairs being folded in half, and it seems to work pretty well, though the sock tower may tip over at any moment. Hanger time! Significant other likes his pants folded and his shirts hung up, so I will have to scooch them out from under Penny. Ha! I'm so sneaky, she didn't even notice. JK, she just doesn't care. Taking back everything for SO's closet. Then mine. Pillows! God damn it, Penny. Oh, She has suffered greatly.
I'm so sorry. Oh, bet. Oh, bet. Oh, no.
The throw blankets are the first to get folded. Then my computer goes to the side table where I can still reach it in bed. Penny will usually move it out of the way if she's covered. I wash the pillowcases every week and the sheets every other week, so I'm making the bed with the sheets that were still slightly tucked in, and covering them with our light summer blanket. Yes, I still need to sleep holding a soft throw blanket even in the summer. It is literally a comfort blanket.
She gets stuck under the bed.
I have to fold down the flat sheet or significant other will not sleep between the sheets. So I try to do it in a way that's aesthetically pleasing. I like using fun pattern sheets for that, but because this blanket has such a busy pattern, I'm just using contrasting solid colored sheets. Tucking in to maintain a nice clean corner crease and following all the way around. Starting off with the heavy dishes from the bottom rack for no particular reason. The struggles of living with tall people is that I almost have to jump to put the salad bowls away. Then stacking up the Tupperware on the drying rack because it takes forever to dry. Let me know in the comments what you think about this camera angle. I think you can see what I'm doing to put away the dishes better, and you can watch me put up the silverware without a distracting angle change. Though you can't see in as much detail how the silverware drawer is organized, but you can see the cabinets better. Let me know down below which one you like better, or if you have a better angle suggestion altogether.
Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I know we really should have made the bed before we left because it's really nice to just come home after a vacation to a nice clean bed. If you have any tips for organizing before going on vacation, please leave them down below along with any other questions, comments, or concerns. New videos should be coming up consistently every Monday, sometimes on Thursdays. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Woo!